Welcome to today's yoga class. As we step into mid-January, we may feel a natural pull to reflect over the past year. A lot of times society pushes us into rushing into new goals. But this is actually the perfect time to slow down, turn inward, and release what didn't work or continues to weigh you down. Letting go of old patterns, emotions, or expectations creates the space to extend intention into the year to come, the year you truly deserve. This heart-centered yoga flow is designed to help you release emotional tension, reconnect with yourself, and nurture self-love. Through gentle chest and shoulder stretches, you'll open yourself to possibilities while honoring the process of release and renewal. Together, we'll create the foundation for the best year yet, your year. The one that will set the stage for a life you love. Welcome. Since taking that introductory scene of my video, it has become quite the winter wonderland here in Missouri. I thought it would be fun to come out here and do some yoga. Hopefully I don't get too cold, and enjoy the flow, guys.
We'll start off in our easy position, seated on the floor, cross-legged or whatever is comfortable for you, hands on our knees, palms facing up, eyes closed down or gazing towards the floor. We'll focus here on our breath, taking deep inhales through our nose and exhales through our mouth. Inhale through the nose, exhale out the mouth. And again. And on your next inhale, you will send the hands up overhead. Exhale, twist to the right, left hand resting on the right knee, right arm behind the body. Be sure to sit up straight, a nice long stretched out back, opening up the chest, relaxing the shoulders. Next we'll come back to center, and on your next inhale, we'll again send the hands up overhead. Exhale, twist to the left, right hand over the right knee, left arm behind. Make sure your back is straight, your shoulders are down away from your ears, and your chest is nice and open. And now we will return back to center, where we'll go to our tabletop position. We will put our wrists under our shoulders, our knees under our hips, back straight. We're going to do what we call thread the needle. So we're going to take our left arm, raise it up on the inhale, and exhale, move it through the opening between the right arm and the body. And if you would like a little extra stretch, you can lift that right arm up behind your back for more stretching in the chest or stretching that shoulder. Next inhale, we will push up back to our tabletop. We're going to take our right arm and do the same thing. Lift up, inhale, exhale, send it through. Right shoulder comes down. For that extra stretch, you can inhale, send that left arm up and over the back. This is a great shoulder stretch. Be sure you're focusing in on your breath. On your next inhale, we're going to come back up to our tabletop position, push up, move into some cat and cow. We're going to inhale, drop the belly, flip the tailbone up, chin up, and then exhale, round the spine, drop the chin to the chest, inhale, drop the belly down, flip the tailbone up, chin up as well. We'll do a few more rounds of these. You can follow me or do them on your own. Inhale, drop the belly. Exhale, bend the toes, push the hips up and back for downward dog. The goal here is to have a flat back. Push our heels towards the ground. If your heels don't touch the ground, that's okay. Mine don't either. Take some deep breaths here. You can pedal out the legs, giving them some stretch here. One by one. And then on our next inhale, we're going to inhale, send the right leg up and back. Exhale, bring the knee up to the chest. Foot on the ground in between the hands. And on your next inhale, sweep the hands up for a low lunge. Here you want to make sure your shoulders are relaxed away from your ears. We want our knee over our ankle. We'll sweep back down, send the right leg back. We'll inhale into our plank. Inhale, exhale, lower down all the way. Inhale, cobra, lifting up. Tuck the toes, exhale, hips come up and back for downward dog. Nice job. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. On your next inhale, left leg goes up and back. Exhale, up in between the hands. Drop the foot. Inhale, sweep the arms up overhead. Low lunge. Relax here. Breathe deep. Engage your core. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, hands come down. We're going to go through our flow again. Inhale in your plank. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, cobra. Tuck the toes, exhale, hips comes up and back for downward dog. Your next inhale, drop the knees, spread the knees out wide, big toes together. Inhale. Exhale, send the hips back, forehead to the ground, arms out in front of you for a nice, relaxing child's pose. Focus on your breathing, nice, deep, slow breaths. Inhale. And on your next exhale, we're going to come back up, tabletop, and we'll send the legs out in front of us. Come to a seat. Legs out in front. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, hands to feet. Reach to the toes if you can. If you can't, that's okay. Reach as far as you can go. Just going to stretch our legs, stretch our back. Let the head fall down, let the neck rest. Breathing deep. Inhale. And on your next exhale, roll back up to a seated position. Fold the right leg up and over the left. Inhale, send the left arm over the right leg and the right arm back. A nice twist, nice stretching twist. Open the shoulders, open the chest. Breathing deep here. Really opening. Inhale and exhale. Come back to the middle. Lift the left leg up over the right. Inhale. Right arm comes across the right knee. Left arm comes behind. Nice straight back. Open the chest. Drop the shoulders. Breathing deep. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to a seat. I'm going to make our way down to our back. You want your fingertips just a little bit away from your heels. On our next inhale, we're going to lift the hips up, making a ramp from our knees to our chest. Hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold, inhale, and exhale, release. Do that 2 more times. Ready, inhale up. Keeping the knees together, core engaged. Hold. Exhale, release. One more time. Inhale up. Hold. Hold. Exhale, release. Great job. Now we'll lay down flat. Send the hands under the bottom on both sides. Now this can be a little tricky, so I want you to watch me first. Inhale, push from the elbows, lift the chest up, crown of the head to the mat. Now hold to 3 or release whenever you need to. Exhale back down. Inhale, sending the chest up, the head back. Hold. Exhale, down. One more time. Inhale, lift up. Open the chest. Exhale, down. Inhale, pull the legs to your chest. Exhale, all the way down to corpse pose. Hands at your sides, feet going to the edge of the mat. Our final resting pose. Now is the time to relax, focus back in on our breath. Some nice deep inhales through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, now is the time to gain clarity on what it is that you want to create this year, who you want to be, what you want to become. On your next inhale, we're going to roll to our favorite side. I prefer the right side, using our arm as a pillow. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time out of your day to spend with yourself. Thank you for watching. I super appreciate all of your support. And on your next inhale, we're going to lift ourselves back up to a seated position. And for one last time, we're going to inhale deep, send our hands up overhead, meeting. Exhale, bring the hands down to heart center. Namaste.